Ladies and gentlemen, live from the PNC Spotlight Black Box Theater, this is FPW Austin! Now, can we please welcome to the ring the punk rock maiden, Robin!
Never really done this before. Not much of a woman of words. I let my actions speak louder. Fortunately, I can do that today, as you can see. I injured my knee 3 weeks ago. I did try to recover, hoping that I'll face the champion of Madrigal, but I didn't. I was actually looking forward to that match. But I guess the good thing is we have the three-way match between Mike Madrigal, Thiago, and John Edlander. I know I earned that fucking championship match. But this will not stop me. I will come back, I'll come back stronger. And when I come back, I do hope I still have that opportunity for the title.
Calling them down the slave. The mask of the marriage with destiny bound. Most of the wrong forever and now.
am the de facto owner of Filipino Pro Wrestling. Therefore, these are just my employees. And sige, by some miracle, sige nga, after makarecover ni Robin, Robin, take your time. Baka recover si Robin, baka champion pa si Mike, maybe we can make that match. Pero, ultimately, di mo choice yan, Mike. Di mo choice yan, Robin. Decision ko yun. And now, let me just say, I just wanna, bigyan natin ng bright side ng konti. To be honest, I think it's for the better na hindi mo na gawin tong match na to. Because I feel like si Robin hindi pa siya handa. Hindi pa siya, hindi nga siya handa, totoo, hindi ka mo. Binook namin yung match, Robin versus Mike Madrigal. Tapos nahirapan kami ibenta yung tickets. Tingnan mo, ang dami empty chairs. Tingnan nyo. I'm not ashamed. Look at the empty chairs. Diba? As a premier live performer.
Teka. Ang sinasabi mo ba, yung empty chairs? Ha? Punta ka na, di ba sikat ka na? Di ba Netflix superstar ka? Bakit? Hindi FPW Championship, Mike Madrigal versus Brett Oliveira!
Guys, una-una, you'd be crazy to see me perform in front of a sub 150 person crowd. Recently, nag-show din ako sa Servant Makati. Hindi kaya itong venue na ito. Nandun kami sa kabila, 1,500 seats. Okay?
Pag hindi tayo magkakaroon sa 1,500 seats, sabi ang nangyari ako.
Mike, as much as I want to expose you, may taping ako soon, so hindi pwedeng maano yung mukha ko, may lockout ko kasi sa okay? Alam nyo, to think na ma-challenge kayo, sobrang spoiled nito mga wrestler na to. Hindi nga tayo kumikita, tapos may venue kayong ganito.
Spoiled? Baka nakalimutan ko yung ginawa ko kay Coach. Paki-explain ka natin ulit!
Alright, Red, we're gonna do like a quick interview. Maybe we'll get in the car, it's kind of noisy. We'll talk about the upcoming show, Robin's injury, and also maybe clear the air about what happened with you and Mike after the show. Because there was...
Clear the air? What do you mean clear the air?
I mean, you fought him over the belt, and there was words exchanged towards the end, so...
Why do we have to talk about that? Like, what are you kind of trying to do something here?
Hey, I think the people want to know.
Are you recording?
I just think that you need to, clear the air, because people, they think that something's up.
I don't know what, but I feel like you're kind of doing something here, but what are you trying to do?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do anything. I just thought that the people want to know what was the status with you and Mike.
It's kind of small time, bro. Kind of small time, don't you feel like? Parang, Rendon Labrador pa to, pare. Ang weird, alam mo yan? We're trying to build up hype for something na, it's all in the past, bro. It's all in the past. Alam mo yun? It's like, do we really need to be that, like, chismis, pare? Chismis, ganun?
I'm sorry. Okay,
So-
we can drop it. I'm sorry.
Sa Netflix ako, coach. Sa Netflix ako. Kasi ito yung gagawin natin sa FPW, kaya wala na tayo. Sponsor.
Alam mo, kung di nyo naiintindihan kung bakit ko ginawa yung ginawa sa'yo, halatang small time kayo lahat. Hindi kayo big time tulad ko. May movie ako with Enrique Hill! May movie ako kasama si Pepe Herrera! At ako ang pinakaunang Pinoy na may stand-up comedy special sa Netflix! Tapos ikaw, Mike, Kaya baka magpuno ng silya? Ha? Pwede ba? Alam mo, sinave ko na nga eh. Sinave ko na yung match-up. And for sure, walang gusto makita ka sa main event. So sinimulan na natin ang FPW Championship match right here, right now! Referee, get in the ring. Introducing the proper challengers.
Ladies and gentlemen, the following contest is scheduled for one fall! And it is for the FPW Championship. Introducing first, from City of Southwoods, the Mad Doctor, John Evander! And next, from Cebu City, weighing 220 pounds, your gym bro, Tiago! And next, from Dead Valley Verde, your reigning, defending FPW champion, the Walking Dead, Mike Madrigal! Ring the bell!
Napakagad ng intro, Marky. Yan, kailangan si Poch eh. Natin kailangan si Poch as go underway itong bastos na champion natin si Mike Madrigal.
Oh, nagsisimula na pala. Kakabalik ko.
May advantage agad.
Oh!
Now Mike Madrigal. Low bridge
Oh!
on Tiago. Mike. Kasalo ni Tiago, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God. The strength of Tiago in full display. And now Johnny Vander calling Mike in the ring.
What a spear!
Here. Oh my God.
Bumakat na naman ang sapatos sa mukha ni Mike Madrigal.
Good job, good job. Good job po. Ayan na. It's a really good wrestling we're looking at here. Tiago and Johnny Vander. I think nagbubuhat sila to again.
Ano to? Pinagtutalungan nila yung champion?
Tama lang. I mean, that's part of the rules.
Paano naging tapos triple threat to?
Triple threat nga. But part of the rules, every man for himself. And kung gusto nilang magkampi muna, kasama yun sa rules.
So papagurin muna nila yung champion bago
Pwede.
sila maglalaban.
That's a good tactic, pare. Mike Madrigal. Getting a 2-on-1 advantage. Tiago now raining right hands on Mike and now tingnan mo pag bigyan mo ng target yung sarili mo, expected na yung mga ganitong mangyari.
Dapat si Thiago yung pinagtutulungan nila. Si Thiago yung pinakamalaki dito eh.
Mike talks a big game and now yun nga pinagtutulungan na sila ngayon, so wala, deserve yan. Ganun talaga ang nangyari. Bigyan mo ng target yung sarili mo. Isip ka mga tao. Wow! Double hip toss! Makita mo yung grabe yun.
Oo, hindi pwede.
Sila ang boys! And I think ganun nga yung mangyayari dyan, Marky. Kasi eventually, mag-decide sila kung sino. Pero, ang maganda doon, hindi si Mike Madrigal.
Bakit naman ayaw mga Mike Madrigal?
Hindi ka ba nanonood?
Sa akin may...
May point siya?
Oo, may pinanggagalingan siya kung bakit siya galit sa'yo.
Well, let's get back to the action here at John Evander
Ayun.
and Tiago. Ayan. Pero, walang pandaraya dito, Marky. Legal naman lahat na nangyari.
Triple threat. Legal na.
Legal naman.
Tama naman, tama naman.
So, Tiago and John Evander as planned. I mean, as they've planned. Wearing down Mike Madrigal.
Uy, magkatama ko dyan!
Oo nga naman, magkatapaw si
nga
Mike
naman yan.
Madrigal.
Ito. Tiago now. All in good fun, all in good fun.
Hindi pa tapos!
Para sa pinagtutulungan na magkuya eh.
Pinagtutulungan nga siya na magkuya ngayon. Yan ang nangyari. Extra. Oh! Heart attack! Nakakalimot lang.
Palakas yung tulak ni Thiago.
Parang seryoso na yung tulak eh.
Oh, nako!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 No!
Wag ka maingay.
And now, sira ang game plan, Marky. Oh my God, masyadong maaga to. Oh my God! The drop kick sa loob and now, John Evander taking advantage of everything. Yan. Doon ka kay Mike. Okay? Sidewalk slam.
Ang lakas si John Evander. Kayang-kaya ng buhatin siya.
Mike Madrigal holding his side. Kita natin, 5 minutes in, wala pang ginagawa yung champion natin. Gusto ko lang i-point out. Wala pa siyang...
Paano siya may gagawin?
Inuupahan lang siya eh.
Tutulungan siya.
Now, John Evander, forearm from Mike Madrigal. Ayan, may ginawa na. Masaya ka na. Ayan. Tiago now. Tiago is definitely one of the biggest guys in the locker room, no, Mikey.
Parang siya nga ata pinakamalaki.
Siya ba pinakamalaki? Oh my God! Sobrang dali lang. Oh! He used another guy. He just throwing out Tiago. Let's go! Let's go! Okay. Two. Medyo slow count.
Malaki si Thiago pero parang hindi siya nag-iisa. Pili niya si John Evander sa tabi ni Mike Madrigal.
Ang laki nila lahat. Kala mo maliit si John Evander sa matchup na to. Pero... Speaking of malaki at malakas, yung chop na yun. Sobrang intense. Tiago calling for leg press. Yes! Yes! Oh, nice one. Ganda.
Nag-leg press sa'yo yung 220 pounds.
Oo. Sakit yun. Natikman mo yun.
Oo, masakit. Hindi daw nakahinga.
Leg press may be theatrical, pero it blows out your lungs. Diba? It caves in your lungs. And syempre with Tiago with then size 12. Medyo malaki yun. And now, oh my God, just gingerly throwing John Evander like a child.
Parang nagtapon ng basura eh.
Tapon lang eh. Oh. Pucha eh. Parang nag-deliver lang ng tubig. And now, Tiago. Oh! Pop up Samoa drop could be it, but
Break.
strategic positioning.
Red. Parang matatalo to.
Ayusin mo. Nag-away kasi kayo kaagad eh. Tulungan nyo pa.
Okay.
So, coach ka na rin
Hindi
ngayon.
ako coach ngayon, tinanong niya ako. I mean, kung tinanong yung ibang crowd, hindi niya sabihin nila. Oh! Yes.
Ako, patay kayo. Ayun. Akala ko okay na.
Now, John Evander and Tiago now.
Ano, patay na. Patay mga
Mike
bata mo,
Madrigal.
bakit?
Forearms. Yes, there you go. And pump up kick, ladies and gentlemen, from John Evander. Nice. Okay, yan, yeah. Make sure.
Sama ng tingin sa yung iba. Gusto lang manalo eh.
Tsaka na. Priority. Hindi dapat yung strategy nila. Kung gusto nila Superman punch. Another Superman punch on John Evander. Oh my God, dinala niya si Tiago. Bulldog clothesline from Mike Madrigal.
Ito na, mukhang babawian na yung mga bata mo, Boss Red. Ayun na nga.
Nako. Oh my God. Oh! Uranage DDT combo.
Tignan mo ito mabuti. Boss Red.
Oh my God, this is not legal. Ito yung sinasabi kong,
Triple threat para dinigal.
ito yung sinasabi ko, Marky. Di ba? Yan ba ang gawain ng isang kampiyon? Yan ba? Hindi. Di ba? Champion ka, tapos nang low blow ka.
Well, triple threat.
Okay,
Sabi mo
whatever.
nga
Oh,
kanina.
sige, okay, fine.
Pero ayaw
Hindi
masuspend.
ko tapos, Marky. Oh! Gamandiri by Johnny Vander and a big boot by Thiago. Another heart attack.
Naku, mukhang nag-aaway na yung mga bata.
It's a double cross by Thiago. Hindi in-expect ni Johnny Vander. Now Thiago. Oh no, disqualifications, pare. The weight belt
Mukhang
from
napanood ko.
Thiago.
Mukhang napanood ko to ah.
Oh, no disqualifications, Marky, ha?
Tama naman, tama naman.
Oh, ayan na. Isipin mo.
Para siyang tatay na nahuli yung anak niya nangungupit.
Ano nga? Ito. Yes! Yes, come on!
Nahuli niya yung anak niya nagkakating ng
Oh,
class.
yun nga. Yun yung nangyari.
Inataw ng sinturon ni tatay.
Dapat lang parusahan yun si Mike Madrigal. Dapat lang. Ayun na. Ref taking control. And now, Thiago, ang ganda nito. Pata mo to.
Mukhang nagre-rebelde rin isang bata ako. Nagre-rebelde si Johnny Vander.
Oh my God!
Gumante yung mga anak sa tatay.
Oh! Getting whipped by the leather belt. This should be illegal, ladies and gentlemen. That is a foreign object wielded by two men against one. Grabe. The injustice. Oh my God! Oh my God! And, okay. Okay. Ayan, kayo mag-aaway.
Yan ang gustong-gusto ko.
Talaga, triple threat rules, pare. Yan ang gusto ko. Patas lang. Gusto ko patas lang na laban.
Twisted powerbomb. Thiago breaking the pin. Blue Thunder Bomb.
Thunder bomb from Thiago, ladies and gentlemen. Two count lang. Come on, guys! Two count from Thiago, ladies and gentlemen. And now, Mike Madrigal is getting propped up. Oh, yes. Oh! Basement dropping. Oh, no!
Parang kabuti si Johnny Vander kung saan-saan sumusulpot.
Bigla sumusulpot ko saan eh. Grabe, springboard basement dropkick into the power bomb. And now Mike Madrigal, tinutulungan si Thiago, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, diba kahit si Mike Madrigal nakikipagkampihan eh. Ganun talaga ang nature ng match.
Agree naman, agree.
Oh! Right on the face, ladies and gentlemen.
At nagkaroon ng Under Armour logo sa mukha si
Oh
Thiago.
my God, kitang-kita ang swelas ng sapatos sa mukha ni Thiago. And now, John Evander setting it up, ladies and gentlemen. But Thiago coming back alive. Thiago went up. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Powerbomb! Superplex! My God! Everybody out of their seats! Unfortunately, that was John Evander on top of everything.
Hindi na ata marinig, Red.
Oh my
Nagwawala
God!
ang mga tao.
Wala na yung mga tao. Mike Madrigal is conscious. Thiago is in the middle of the ring.
Sulit pa ang chance.
Sulit by a chance our opening match. Headbutt by Mike. The right forearm by John Evander. Oh my God! A super kick from John Evander. Nakawala na lang yung sinasabi na papanood na tayo eh. Diago now is in no man's land. He is in trouble. Brain! Vertical! Suplex! John Evander! And Thiago for the
Akala ko
kick
magcha-champion
out.
si John Evander. So close!
Close. And now John Evander going for that patented splash. Ladies and gentlemen.
Oh!
Stunner, no! Thiago!
Sinalo gamit ang
Using Thiago.
stunner.
You!
Red, anong ginagawa mo, Red? Red, anong ginagawa mo? At muli na naman ang gulo si Red Oliero. Red, bumalik ka dito! Red, bumalik ka dito! Red Oliero, delikado dyan! Bumalik ka dito, Red Oliero! Red Oliero, bumalik ka dito! Mauupakan ka dyan! Ay, sabi ko na nga ba? Sabi ko na nga ba? Here's your winner and still your FPW champion, Mike Madrigal! Crowd celebrating with Mike Madrigal after winning a triple threat FPW championship. Sabi ko sa'yo, bumalik ka dito. Katamahan ka tuloy. Sabi ko sa'yo, bumalik ka dito.
Lumaki nga!
So fly like two wings. What's that in the sky? It's the twins. If she's down for a two-night stand, then I'm going in. And he going in too. We going in, go. Me and my brother here to kill shit, king shit. Born with a money nigga instinct. Everybody hating on the rich kids. Body bag anyone who interrupt the business. Back from the dead, aim to your head. Took both pills, blue and the red. Jump off the ledge, land like a legend. Bring you to hell when I drop you from heaven. Whoever on top, I'm higher. Hit you with the ice and fire. What time is it? What time is it? It's time for you to retire.
And Mike, we come out here with respect Respect for one of the most hardworking men in this company. Ladies and gentlemen, ang kampiyon ng Pilipinas, Mike Madrigal. Give him a round of applause. Grabe nga kami. That was a good fight. That was a good fight. Nothing but respect. Nothing but respect. Boss, there's only 3 men ever since the beginning of Filipino pro wrestling. 3 men that can be called truly undefeated. 2 of them are in the YOLO twins. And one of them is the Walking Dead, Mike Madrigal. Cuatro over here. He came to us one day, and then he wanted us to show him our winning ways. Pare, if you look at him now, he was actually on the verge of retirement. Pero he came to us and then he asked us, YOLO Twins, can you please show me how to be winners? We told him that we are going to not only show him how to win, we are going to unlock the Cuatro from the old days when he was a very, very dominant champion.
That is true. Give me.
You are a beautiful man. No. There's no smooching tonight. Look. This guy is a beautiful man, and we ride with him all the time. We are together. We ride the motorcycle.
Hey, shut the fuck up!
No, that's not what I meant. No.
We work together all the time.
What I'm trying to say is that we are beautiful. We have a car. He has a motorcycle, and we just like to, travel together as a group. That's it. He just got it. It's like ride or die. He's our ride or die.
Go ahead, you do it.
Cuatro. Let's get into business, man.
Ay, salamat.
Me and my brother and Cuatro, we have formed this group together, and we called ourselves Vandals Manila. This group is all about liberation, freedom, and success. My friend, we're about liberation, freedom, and success. But we're out here because we're going to offer the same hand that we gave to Cuatro. My friend, you need teammates because if you don't have teammates, then you will be left behind. And as a matter of fact, I'm sorry, I say this with all due respect, boss. You are actually so left behind that you think that you are first in this race. So right now, I am just going to say that we at Vandals Manila are brothers. Brothers not by blood, but by bond.
Okay, let's get down to brass tacks. Why are we here? Nasabi na nila, Mike, actually, di pa nila nasabi, lang pa na you are the best wrestler FPW has ever seen.
That's right.
You are undefeated. You defended the belt against
And you have to be honest with yourself na nahihirapan ka na. And you can do this alone. Gaslighting.
Medyo, ang dami nung sinabi, wala napupuntahan eh. Kasi, ang pagkaintindi ko, kung sa ng English mo, gusto na akong i-recruit para tulungan ako. Eh, talaga, tatlo yung kinakalaban ko kanina, sumama ko tumatawag ko eh. Hindi ko naman tinulungan.
Hindi ka talaga.
So, sa tingin ko, kahit sa sarili ko, hindi ko kayo kailangan.
Quite disrespectful. Hinahanap mo na yung mic. Sinunod mo ba? Fine. That's what your channel is all about. Pero, let me say this. My pop quiz. Hypothetically, the three best wrestlers in FPW inside the ring, hindi namin sinabi ko yun ha, hypothetically lang, meron tatlong wrestlers, mag-isa ka lang, and they gang up on you, mag-isa ka lang, ano magagawa mo? Ano gagawin mo?
Hypothetically rin. Ito!
Yes! Yes! Sobrang maling decision. Yes!
Nag-iisip si Mikey.
Sobrang maling.
Kaya alam mo na kung bakit tingin ko hindi siya taas. Hindi dapat sa chance.
Pero sobrang maling ginagawa niya.
Kulang. And ewan ko kung dito pa kanya ito, Vandals Manila. Nagkampi sila, bumuo silang grupo, it is good.
Pero sobrang maling ginagawa ng Vandals Manila. Pagod yung tao. Tatlo sila, isa lang si Mike.
Easy way. Sabay ako naman, bakit hindi nga manunusok? Pero proseso na niya lang eh.
My